But the exercise at the bottom is the one I really wanted to showcase, and I think the one that's been so helpful for Tracy and her daughter. This is the tactile piece. This is the hands-on. And I think, again, when they're young, they're all really tactile learners. So we change these activities out every week to keep it fresh and fun. It may say, go out and write your words on the sidewalk with sidewalk chalk, or spell your words with beans or pipe cleaners or Play-Doh. And so, Tracy, tell us about your daughter's experience with this section.
Well, I was mentioning with Peggy, my kids are creative, so this really appeals to her. And it's a jumping off point. So she will do all of these, but then she will go further and come up with her own activities to even add to this.
She needs to be writing more books for you, Laura.
Or she may see one of these activities and think, well, I don't want to do it exactly that way. I want to do it this way. And so, like with instead of pipe cleaners, she loves wiki sticks, and so she'll use the wiki sticks to kind of put them together. So yes, she loves this section. She loves the rhythm instruments, so she'll get out our rhythm instruments and really enjoy, chanting her spelling words with, an egg shaker or, our jingle bells or whatever it is that strikes her fancy that day. And this section has allowed her to be more independent because I just let her at it. It's her choice. And so she gets to choose at this point what she does on what day and how she does it. And we take 2 weeks for a lesson. So she gets to explore a lot of this. And again, I think that helps assure her anxiety to be able to give her a measure of control in a subject that feels very out of her control. And so, yes, this has been very successful for her. So successful that I've taken some of these ideas and I use them with my kindergartner with some of his words now.
That's great. I'll add that one idea that I like to share with moms is just to get a little plastic shoebox and go ahead and flip through the book and gather all those little things and have them all together in one place. So the sidewalk chalk, the beans, the Play-Doh, the wiki sticks now. I'm going to add that one to my repertoire. But anyway, all those little manipulatives that just make it fun and make it enjoyable. And it doesn't feel like school when you're playing with Play-Doh.